Welcome to Ocean View at Malibu Beach Luxury Resort. Now we're heading to the kitchen area. It has blue granite tops and silky marble covered walls, as you can see. From the kitchen, you can do your dinner, your lunch, or breakfast. Just looking at the pool area. This is the dining area and the living room area. It has air conditioning. Also has the TV available with both speakers. As you can see, you have a direct view with no interference to the pool area. At your right from the balcony, you can see the beach area. Now we're heading to the third suite. The third suite has a full and a twin size bed, a white full and twin size bed available. This is the bathroom on the front. This is the secondary suite with a white queen size bed. On the front, you will see the primary suite. It has a king size bed available. With the TV. If you look from the window from the primary suite, you will see the pool area. This is the balcony from the apartment. Now we're heading to the bathroom. Thank you for coming, and thank you for your time for watching the video. Again, this is Ocean View from Malibu Beach Luxury Resort with no interference and a direct view to the pool area. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.